You are welcome to another beginner series. In our last class, we learned how to make this granny square. So in today's video, you are going to be making a solid granny square. So you need a yarn for it. Any yarn of choice is okay. This is a yo-yo yarn, hand and machine knitting yarn, acrylic fiber. So any yarn of choice is okay. For today's class, we'll be making use of this size E hook, which is a 4.0 millimeter hook. Then you need a row counter. If you don't have, simply just count on your mind. Then you need a yarn snip or a pair of scissors. Of course, you need your measuring tape to measure measure the size that you want. So this is a 4x4 table mat, 4x4, 4 inches by 4 inches. So you can use it for your water bottle or your cup. So to begin this, we are going to be starting with a magic circle. To do that, you just put the yarn over your arm like this, wrap the yarn over your arm like this, then use the hook to bring it out. Then you're going to chain 4. And then you slip stitch into the beginning chain stitch to form a magic circle. Okay, so to begin the round, this is round 1. You want to start with a chain 5. Okay, first of all, chain 3, which serve as a double crochet, and then to form a corner we chain 2. So in total we have 5 chain. Then you yarn over. So you are going to form you look at this, we have 4 clusters. Okay, so you are going to make this. So you have formed the first. We have formed part of the first, so we're going to now form the second cluster of 3 double crochet. So depending on where you are, some call the double crochet treble crochet, but I'm going to make do with the 10 double crochet, which is DC for short. So I'm going to be making 3 double crochet. I hope you know how to make a double crochet. I have a lesson on how to do that. You can check my channel. So we have 3 on the hook. You yarn over, you pull through the first 2. Now you have to yarn over, you pull through. So that is our first double crochet. So we do 2 more. Yarn over, you grab the yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So we have 2 already. So make the third one. And then the corner we chain 2, another cluster of double crochet, that is 3 double crochet. So you can work this in or sew it in at the end. So this is a corner, this is a corner. So 2 chains and then another cluster of 3 double crochet. And then chain 2. So we have 1 cluster here, 1 cluster here, 1 cluster here. So this is the beginning cluster. So you're supposed to have 4. So you have to complete. This is already 1 here. The first 3 chain serve as a double crochet. So I'm going to make 2 double crochet to complete the beginning cluster. So into the circle, make 2 double crochet. So I'm going to slip stitch into, you can't tilt it from the hook, from the chain or from the circle, you can't 3 chain 1 2 3 and slip stitch into that to complete the cluster. And don't make your chain too tight so that it can go through easily. So you slip stitch, and then into this space you slip stitch again. So that ends round 1. So this is a corner, this is a corner, a corner, a corner. So let's go to row 2. Now each round is going to be increasing by 4 stitches, 2 at this side and 2 at this side. So to begin row 2, we chain 5. 1. The first 3 will serve as a double crochet, and then the next 2 is the corner. Okay, so I'm going to make 2 double crochet into this, into the corner to complete the corner. So the corner has 2 double crochet, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet. So by the time we come to the end, you will see how I'm going to complete this corner. So one part of the corner is completed, then this is half of the corner. We make 2 double crochet, and then we are going to work double crochet into this 3 cluster. So to be able to see the first one, pull your yarn like this, so you can see it. You have 1 2 3. So work double crochet into this 3 double crochets, the previous double crochet, because we are making a solid square. And then we have come to the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet. Two double crochet, chain 2, and another 2 double crochet. So we are through with this side now. We are now going to work on this side. So to do that, we are going to work double crochet into this 3 double crochet. You just pull your, so you can see the first one. So we have come to the corner again, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet into the corner. Two double crochet, chain 2, another 2 double crochet. So we have worked this side, we have worked this side, so we are now going to work on this side. So into this double crochet, we are going to work double crochet into each of them. And then into the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet. Chain 2, then another 2 double crochet. So we are now coming to the last side. So you see that our square is forming. We are formed here, and now on the last side. So we also make 3 double crochet into each of, that is double crochet into each of this cluster. And then this is, we also make into this, and then this is the beginning of the corner, so we are going to make 1 double crochet here, and then we slip stitch into the 3rd chain to complete the round. Then we slip stitch into this chain space. So that ends the round. So at the end of round 2, for round 1 we had 3 in each cluster. So at the end of round 2, you should have a total of 7 double crochet in each. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should have 7, 7, 7, 7. That's how you know that you are on track. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 all through. 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, so each row will be increasing by 4. So you have 7. The next row is going to be 11. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that will be the next. Then add 4 to that. The next will be 15. Add 4 to that, the next will be 19. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you see, that is how you know that you are correct. It will be increasing by 4. The first was 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 4, 19. Just keep going like that until you have the size that you want. So we are going to row 3. So we always start with a chain 5. Into this space, another chain 2, which is the increase. Sorry, 2 double crochet, which is the increase. Then I'm going to work double crochet into each of these double crochets, starting with this first one here. So that is number 3. That is 4. 5. You're supposed to have 11. So that is 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Then to end it, into this space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So that will now make it 11. Two double crochet, we chain 2, and another 2 double crochet. So this is a corner. So you see that the first 2 double crochet you did ended this, then the other 2 begins this. So if you count what you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The previous one we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then the next one is supposed to be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So don't count this. So here is it, the 2, then look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are now going to this side of, we are through with one side like this, we are now working the other side. So double crochet into each of these 7. So we have come to the corner to work 2 double crochet to complete this. And then we chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet into the same chain space, into the same corner space. So you see we are through here, we are through here. Now we are now going to work this one. So we are going to work double crochet into each of these 7 stitches. So we are now at the corner again. So 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet. And chain 2, then another 2 double crochet into the same corner space. So we are now going to work this way. So 1 double crochet into each of these 7 double crochets. Come to the corner, I'm going to work 2 double crochet, sorry, 1 double crochet to complete this. There's already 1 here. And then we slip stitch into the 3rd chain to end the round. And then slip stitch into this corner space. So this is what we have so far. So here is our corner, here is our corner, here is our corner, and here is also our corner. So to start row 4, we also chain 5 . So we chain 5, and then 2 double crochet into this corner space. And then 1 double crochet into each of these. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. So 1 double crochet to this 11. And then at the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, then another 2 double crochet. 2 and then another 2 double crochet. So let's see how many we have here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So you see it has increased by 4. So I get to have 15 15 15 15, and then the last will have 19. We are stopping at row 5. So 1 double crochet into each of these stitches. This is the first here. So just continue. I'll meet you at the corner. So back in the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, another 2 double crochet. There's 1 and there's 2. Then chain 2, then another 2 double crochet. And then you work 1 double crochet into each of these stitches. So you can pull it a little so that you can see the first. Here's the first. Two double crochet, chain 2, another 2 double crochet. Chain 2 and then another 2 double crochet. So this is all we have so far. So you're now going to walk into each of these double crochet. This beginning corner, make 1 double crochet into this corner space, and then we slip stitch into the 3rd chain. One, two, three. And then we slip stitch into this corner space. So that ends round 4. So 1 2 3 4. So that is all. So for the final round, we are stopping at round 5. Just repeat the pattern again. I'll start with a chain 5. Okay, and then 2 double crochet into the same space, then double crochet into each of this. Then when I get to the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, then double crochet into each of the stitches till I get to the corner. At the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet to each of these stitches until I get to this corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, there 1 double crochet to each of these stitches until I get back to the beginning, then make 1 more double crochet into the corner to end the round. It's pretty simple, right? So chain 5, don't forget the first chain 3 serve as a double crochet, and then the next chain 2 is the corner stitch. Then now make 2 double crochet into the corner, and then this is the increase, and then double crochet to each of the stitches. Back to the corner, 2 double crochet. So before we continue that, let's just count what we have. We're supposed to have 19. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is correct. So to complete this corner, you chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet into the same corner space. And then 1 double crochet into each of these stitches. So back to the corner. At the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And also, just by the way, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and support the growth of this channel. So chain 2 double crochet, chain 2, then 2 double crochet into that same space. And then we work 1 double crochet in each stitch across until you get to the corner again. So we are back to another corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet. Chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet. So this is the final round. So just work 1 double crochet into each of these stitches until you get back to the beginning corner. So 1 double crochet into the space to end the corner, and then slip stitch into the 3rd chain. So let's count the stitches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it's complete. So when you have your desired length, this is my desired length. So this yarn is different from this yarn, so that is why this is looking bigger. This is a bit thicker than this, so the type of yarn you use determine how the size comes out. So you slip stitch into this chain space like this. So to end the round, you pull through again, then cut. So this yarn is thicker than this. This was also 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is bigger. So it's okay. Just like we also have this. So to end this, I'll just take a smaller hook and just weave this in. Just hide it in. You can use your yarn needle to do this. I think that's what they call the tapestry needle. Darning needle. So when you have a good amount, you can cut this off. And you can also hide the tail. So that is our solid granny square. So you just keep making yours until you have your desired size. If you want as the baby blanket, you just keep going on and on, and you use up to like maybe 7 or 8 yarn depending on the size. So this is how to make a solid square. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you find this tutorials helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Until next time when I come your way again, I remain G Joy. Bye for now.